the BBI, and it has been interesting to see the kind of attention the Mount Kenya region has been attracted in reporting, from the Kangata letter to the president, then Waiguru in an interview in one of the dailies talking about the region needing to be more inclusive and all of that. The question to you is, why is there so much focus on Mount Kenya region and what it thinks or where it stands on BBI, or not other regions? Because Kenya is bigger than that. There are all these other parts of the country as well, and communities. Is it that they're already all signed in and it's that Mount Kenya is not, and if it's not, does it mean BBI will not work or pass?
Sophia, before I address that, let me just come in on what Mutula Kilonzo was saying, and just to add that, Sophia, I think those who are criticizing the relationship that we have had with Uhuru Kenyatta, that it has borne no fruit, are not being fair and honest with themselves. So listen, apart from what Mutula has told you about bringing peace in this country, there is even the issue of corruption. Let me ask this question. One, for the first time, we have seen a member of parliament going to jail in this country. For the first time, we have seen a cabinet, not just a cabinet secretary, but one in charge of finance being taken through the court process for corruption. For the first time, we are seeing many governors. In between 2013 and 2017, no governor was ever charged in court. As we speak, we have a number of sitting governors. We have the governor for Samburu in court, the governor for Migori in court, the governor for Nairobi, the former governor for Nairobi in court, the former governor for Kiambu in court, the former governor, actually two former governors of Nairobi, both Kidero and Sonko are in court. This is because of the handshake. This is because of the confidence we have given President Kenyatta to fight corruption. Kenyans, some Kenyans feel that this is not enough. I also feel it is not enough, but it is something. And it is because of this handshake. And fighting corruption was one of the 9 agenda items that we were to discuss. But now, to come back to your question, Sophia, we cannot sit here and lie to ourselves that Mount Kenya region is not an important region, is not so significant in the electoral process in this country. Mount Kenya region has about 8 million votes. That is a voting bloc that cannot be wished away, whether you are running for president or you are campaigning for referendum. And that is the reason why there is too much attention on Mount Kenya. Every political grouping wants to know what exactly Mount Kenya is thinking. And that is why you can see there is scramble, and you find some people may be visiting Mount Kenya region almost every day, yet their activities, what the decisions sometimes they make, some of the advice they give. Hello?
And here you proceed. Proceed, sir.
Yeah, because I think it went off again. Now, just to conclude quickly, I was saying that you see some people are visiting Mount Kenya and lying to them, doing fundraisings in churches everywhere. But when it comes to those specific issues that are beneficial to Mount Kenya, they take the opposite direction. And so they lie that they like the region, but they don't like. In a nutshell, Mount Kenya is significant because it's commanding a huge voting bloc.
All right, Senator Mwaura, let me bring this to you. Usione Simba